This model kit review is of the P-40 Warhawk, and it is a 1/72nd scale model by HobbyBoss, and this is an easy assembly kit, so there are not many pieces. There are the dimensions, and there's some pictures of the finished model, some details about the plane, and there's some more pictures of the finished model. Let's have a look inside. So over here we have our fuselage molded as one piece, and it's actually quite solid and sturdy. We've got some recessed panel lines, and this is going to be for our exhausts. Over here we have our wings, also very sturdy, modeled as one piece with the lower part of the fuselage. And there's our radiator. We've got some wheel well detail there. Here's the back part of our cockpit with some nice detail there. Over here we have our canopy with the side glass. It's quite well molded actually. Over here we have our wheels. Those are typical P-40 Warhawk wheels. And probably the back part of our fuselage. Here we've got our exhaust ports there. Here's our propeller and spinner. And these look like the exhausts or the airflow. It'll open up if you wanted them to. Here's our control column here, main gear. We've got a bomb here, and also recessed lines on our elevator. Here's the other elevator, and we've got a central fuel tank, and the other main gear. Here's our tail gear and our seat, along with our cockpit floor. Let's have a look at our decals and instructions. I guess you can do either American or Royal Air Force. And let's look at the instructions. There's the parts listing there. And put the cockpit together. That goes inside the fuselage. Fuselage is then mounted to our wings. You mount the tail stabilizers as well. Put our exhausts on there. Then you put our main gear together as well as the bomb. And don't forget the propeller goes on there. And mount the bomb as well as our main gear. Tail gear also goes on the other side of our elevator, and there's the finished model. It's a very simple model, and then those are the two options there. So this one is the United States version, and you can see there the painting and decal guide, and here is the Royal Air Force version, and painting and decal guide. Those are the colors needed there. So, all in all, fairly simple model to build, but surprisingly good quality.